友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是主持人 Julie， 在纳斯达克向您问好。今天股市整体低开，投资者主要的关注焦点在于企业财报、地缘政治风险以及周末的法国总统大选。在财报方面，今天多家银行公布了重要的财报，其中高盛的财报令投资者感到失望，受此影响，高盛股价走低，也致使道指下滑。在另一方面，美国银行公布的财报数据好于预期。今天收盘之后 ，IBM 以及雅虎将公布他们的企业财报。经济数据方面，美国政府报告显示，美国3月新屋开建数量减少7%。在另一方面，3月制造业指数下跌0.4%，这也是自2016年8月以来的首次下跌。在原油方面，原油价格继续走低，主要原因在于上周公布的数据显示，美国活跃原油钻井平台数量连续13周增加。纵观全球，亚洲市场涨跌互现，欧洲股市周二大体下跌。英国首相特蕾莎梅宣布将大选提前至6月8日，引起全球轰动。更多的详细资讯，请关注今天的交易员访谈。
Welcome to today's Morning Call Express. So you wake up this morning before the futures were down 9. That was when you saw the UK Prime Minister say they're going to have a press conference, and then she basically announced that they're going to have elections in June, which creates a little bit more uncertainty overseas. Now the futures are down 5-6 handles. Market's going to figure out, do we have any commitment to yesterday's bounce, or is it just another misdirection move in this little, monthly choppy range that has definitely not been the easiest to handle? Overall, if you look here at the chart of the S&P cash, you look at different trends. First of all, more of the smoother trend into the 200-day is still well intact. Okay, but then if you go like this, to the more accelerated trend, which we like to trade, we broke below it, and yesterday we had a retest to it. So at this point, we are on the right side of it, but still above the weekly support. So if you take a closer look here, you will see that yesterday we had some strength, but still below the moving averages and still below the descending trend line, so at least traders are a bit cautious. So for today, I would think, in order for us to have a little commitment to yesterday's move, what I mean by commitment, meaning like we hold in there and then you might have some higher prices, I would think that, you get some support around here. This is around 2340-ish, or just say 2338 to 2340. If you happen to have gone long yesterday because of the strength, if this doesn't hold, you got to be careful that all of a sudden yesterday will mean nothing and we can head back to lows. So this is, I think, very important for the S&P cash. You could also overlap that with the spiders. This morning, you have two different bank reports. Bank of America beat, Goldman didn't. What's more important, we shall see. Overall, the XLF, I'm just going to show you, has that head and shoulders top feel, but it has not broke the neckline. So in the last, I think, 4 years, necklines have been better to buy than to sell, but sometimes that changes. So this is big support for the XLF. If this were to break with a close below, that could, pressure the markets. Goldman Sachs missed. There's some big support down here. Okay, this is the recent low, right around, what is this? This is, 220.85. It's now below that. So if Goldman Sachs can reclaim 220.85, that might be a decent sign. If not, here's your next support, which is right around the 200-day, which is all the way down here near 209. So if this can't get back above 220, I'm sure it's going to be hard to basically ignore. The momentum trend has been broken all the way up from here. So most people or traders I know don't take stocks into earnings anyway. So, it gave some signals that it's a little weaker as it's also been below the 8-day. So we'll see what the banks do. Then Netflix had a decent report, but a little talk that their subs were disappointing. At this point, it's been a choppy mess for since the last quarter results right there. So it might stay a choppy mess. It was down $3-4 and then it was up $2. So at this point, if you're trading for momentum and if you think this is going to help momentum names, it's got to get above and stay above 148.22. If it pushes above it and comes back below it, I would not stay long it. If it pushes above it and holds it, maybe it does help high beta tech. But I wouldn't be so surprised if it just stays in this range anyway. With that said, Netflix, could help high beta tech that was kind of stronger yesterday. So for today, with the futures down, you need to see if tech could actually help or not. You know, what do I mean by that? Google had a strong day yesterday. So the question is, do some buyers come back? It broke above this range, took back the 821 day. If this is going to be any good, it should hold 847 and continue to show some commitment. Facebook had a decent day yesterday. Same thing. Look at that wide range bar. You know, held some support, broke it back above the 821 day. So if this could hold above 140.60 and go green, that would be constructive. Lastly, BABA, which has looked the strongest. Why does it look the strongest? It's above the 8-day moving average right here. Okay, with a nice bull flag. Perhaps if this goes from down 40 cents and trades through 112 and continues, that would show you that there's still some buyers out there in select issues. So all in all, it's been very choppy. It hasn't been that conducive for continuity, but we'll see what happens moving forward. We've come a long way since the election. The pro-growth agenda is slowing a little bit. You still have North Korea. You have some things going on in Europe. So just maybe be a little bit lighter because there's a little less memory from day to day. And there will be a time when the continuity comes back. Have a great day. I'll see you at the recap.
好了，以上就是本期节目的所有内容了。感谢您的收看，我是主持人 Julie， 在纳斯达克向您问好，祝您交易顺利。我们下期节目再见。